Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic right here. I'm your friend in the crypto space that actually helps you make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment over it. Alright, so this is me and this is what I do for a living. I teach people how to go around crypto, especially crypto airdrop, and how they can actually make money of crypto through crypto airdrop. All right, so right now, without having to waste any of your time, so if you're the type of person that's actually looking for a website where you can actually earn free crypto without having to without having to stress yourself up, without having to do any structural thing, without having to spend much of your time, then you are the right place. Because on this video guys, I'm going to be making it very quick. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal right now in order to prove that the website I'm actually talking about is actually working 100%. all right, over here guys, let me just show you guys my wallet right here. So over here guys, you can see I have a whole lot of crypto right here guys. This is what I got totally free within a short period of time, so this can work for you as well, as since it worked for me. So all these you can see here, I didn't buy any of them. I wasn't gifted any of them. I made all of them for free through the website I'm going to be showing you right here on this video. So if you want to get started, a link will be on the video description. Click the link on the video description to actually get started on earning from this website. Okay, so coming over here right now, without to waste our time, this is our Telegram channel where we post updates on how you can actually make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So coming over here guys, over here on below the video you're watching right now, so if the video actually satisfies you, if it's actually what you're actually looking for, please do well to give us a subscription. And also when you click the subscription, you go ahead and click on this bell icon and select all, so that anytime we make any new videos that's gonna help you make money in the crypto space, YouTube will send you a notification immediately. After that guys, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up like this, we really appreciate it. Then you help us share the video to any social media platform of your choice, and finally you put a very nice and interesting comment right there, we really appreciate it. And also we do actually give out free BNB to people that actually do what I actually mentioned right here. So enough of the talking, let's now go back to the topic of the day and actually make our first withdrawal. So this is a website that I'm actually talking about. It's actually called Crypto Earn. Let me now take you to my dashboard right here. Over here guys, you need to be careful because there are a bunch of ads right here on this website actually, so you need to just simply clear them off, as many as you can. But if you can't clear them, you can leave them. Coming over here guys, you can see my balance right now is reading over 13 billion points right here. All right, so this is about 13.5 billion points right here guys. I'm going to be making a withdrawal first to prove the point that I'm making on this video before you can actually go ahead and see if you would like to continue watching it or not. All right, but I believe this is an amazing video and you're gonna like it because I'm going to be making a withdrawal right now that you are watching me. So to make a withdrawal, I just have to click over here with this straight line over here. So I will click on it. So I have to select withdraw right here. So when I click on select withdraw, this is going to be taking me to where I have list of options of crypto that I can withdraw right here. So over here guys, I can actually withdraw Bitcoin. Sorry, like I said, there are a lot of ads right here on this website. Over here guys, I can actually withdraw Bitcoin, I can withdraw Litecoin, you can see I can withdraw Tron, I can withdraw Peppercoin, I can withdraw Shiba Inu, I can withdraw Flocky, I can withdraw Space Token. So over here guys, I'm also going to be making a video that will actually help you on how you can actually earn free Tron coin for free, since Tron is the trending coin right now. So I'm going to be making a separate video for that. Make sure you are up on this channel because you don't want to miss it. Okay, so coming over here guys, this is my balance right here. Okay, like I said, coming down here, you can see this is my balance as it is shown right here. But right now, which token should I withdraw in order to prove this point that I'm making right here on this video? I can actually withdraw this through my Faucet Pay or my C wallet. Let me use C wallet. Actually, I like C wallet. Let me withdraw Shiba Inu. Okay, let me withdraw Shiba Inu. Right now, you can see over here guys, my balance will actually earn me about 52,000 Shiba Inu right here. I can actually earn 52,000 Shiba Inu right here. So simple as that. So you can withdraw any other token that of your choice, but before you can actually be able to withdraw, you need to take note of where the withdrawal is actually going to. This one is going to C wallet, C wallet, C wallet, C wallet. Over here, this one is actually going to, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, you can actually withdraw it to your Faucet Pay. Okay, so if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, you can actually withdraw it to your Faucet Pay. If you want to withdraw Litecoin, you can actually withdraw it to your Faucet Pay as well. Take note of that. Right now, I want to be using my C wallet right now. Let me show you guys how you can withdraw this before I actually go ahead and teach you how you can actually earn. So come over here guys, let me take you to my C wallet right here. This is my C wallet, and when you look over here right now, when I click on profile, then you can see that this is actually my email right here. I don't know, this is not showing, but this is my email, because your email, the email that you use to create your C-Wallet account is actually the email that you are going to use to make the withdrawal. So right now, guys, I've already input the email right here, guys, and you can see cryptomechanic100@gmail.com. So over here, the same email is what we have right here, but they are actually hiding it. See, the same email is what we have right here, cryptomechanic100@gmail.com. So over here, guys, you can see I'm going to be withdrawing about 52,000 Shiba Inu right here. Before I make the withdrawal, let me show you guys my balance right here on my C-Wallet. Over here, guys, this is my Shiba Inu. I have about 116,000 Shiba Inu right here, which is equivalent to $1.57 right now. I'm going to be making a new withdrawal right now to actually show you guys that this website actually works. Okay, so over here, guys, let me now go back and of course make the withdrawal right now real quick. So to withdraw Shiba Inu to my C-Wallet, I will make sure I check this right here. You can see it just turned white right now. Then I have to select over here. This is what you need to do. You need to complete this captcha right now, and when you scroll down again, you click on withdraw. Okay, so when you click on withdraw, allow it to load up. Let me see here what we're gonna have right here. You can see, good job, I just made a withdrawal right now. It has been sent to my account. So this is how simple it is. So right now, let me now go back and show you guys my C-Wallet right now. You can see this is my C-Wallet. Let me see if my balance actually increased. Nothing has actually increased yet. When I click over here on Shiba Inu, you can see refresh quick. Let me, okay, over here, guys, on Shiba Inu, let me see what I'm gonna have right here, and boom, you can see right now that my balance just increased right now drastically. This is it just arrived right now, and you can see that Shiba Inu has actually increased in value right now real quick. Okay, so when I click over here right now, you can see this is it. This is how it actually works. I believe you got the point right here that our balance just increased drastically right here right now. So but the transaction history is not loading up real quick. I don't know why. So right now you have seen how this works. Let me now show you guys a practical example of how this website actually works and how I was able to get the whole point that I got. All right, so if you want to earn the most from this website, you don't have to be lazy. You need to make sure you work your ass out and make sure you earn. Okay, so I will click on OK right now. When I click on OK, when I scroll down again, you can see that my balance right now is 0. I have made the withdrawal. So to earn from this website, it is very, very easy. I will explain in a simple manner. Okay, so over here, guys, there are some many ways that you can actually earn from this website actually. So when you come over here to the earning section, you can see that we have many means through which you can actually earn from this website actually. Okay, so for you to earn from this website, let me now explain all of them in detail. So coming over here right now, you simply need to answer quiz. When you for example, when I click over here on quiz right now, you are going to be asked a simple question which you need to answer, and when you answer it correctly, you are going to be given a point. One, even when you fail it, you are still going to be given a point. All right, so over here, guys, we have talked about the quiz, and over here the task session actually allows you to complete some certain tasks, and you are going to be getting some points which you can later convert to real crypto and withdraw. Okay, so we have the referral contest over here. This is if you know you have a large number of referrals, you can actually participate on this referral contest to see if you're actually going to be winning something huge. So over here, guys, on the game section, you actually get to play some certain game, and in return they are going to be giving you points when you play the game for some certain seconds, and from there you are going to be earning points that you can convert to real crypto and withdraw later. So we have achievement right here. This achievement actually marks the how much effort you have actually put on this website, and from there you are going to be getting rewarded. It is simple as that. But the ones that I needed to actually pay closer attention to the most are this thing that we have right here. We have the faucet, the unlimited faucet, the auto faucet, the soft ad, and the window ad. So this one achieve short link right here. Solving short link is a little bit hard, but if you know how to go around it, you can actually do it. So short link is actually done by just getting to complete series of tasks. All right, so when you're able to complete this series of tasks, then you are gonna be rewarded handsomely, very hugely. Okay, so over here, guys, let me now talk about the faucet. So coming over here to the faucet, this actually pay you up every 2 minutes. You can see you can actually make a claim every 2 minutes. When you scroll down like this, you can see over here it is very, very simple. What you have to do here is simply go ahead. Once you have gotten yourself to this faucet, what you need to do is simply just complete this captcha, and you are gonna be clicking over here on the claim button to claim. Okay, so over here, guys, this captcha is easily completed. So for example, we have C's 410. You simply calculate this and answer 3 plus 3 6 3 plus 1 4 8. This is 10. Okay, so you click over here on this box right here and complete the captcha. Then you click on claim. Once you click on claim, certain points are gonna be given to you automatically. Okay, so there are a lot of ads right here. You can see 400, and this should be 4.4 million coins has been added to my balance. It is so easy as that. Right now I can claim the after the next 3 minutes. Okay, so right now let me now take you back to the next ones and show you guys what you need to do. Okay, so over here guys, on the unlimited faucet, you get to claim every single time. You don't need to wait 2 minutes before you can actually be able to claim from this unlimited faucet. But over here guys, on the auto faucet actually allow you to earn without having to do anything. The countdown is I think 20 seconds, and you earn some certain amount of coin every 20 seconds. Okay, so coming over here guys, you can see this is how the countdown is, and over here after this countdown right now, a certain amount of coin is gonna be added to my balance real quick without having to waste my time in any single way. Okay, over here let me now show you guys how it is. Over here you can see it's just added right now. About 150,000 coin has been added to my balance real quick. Right now when I scroll down again, you can see over here I wanted to explain to this soft ad and window ad. All right, so soft ad and window ad are very similar. The only difference is that over here on soft ad, the reward tends to be a little bit slower and a little bit easier to complete. All right, so for example, let me click over here on soft ad. When you click on soft ad, it's gonna open up. Let me just briefly explain to you guys how the soft ad works so that you can be able to use the same approach to make money from the window app as well. Alright, so right here guys, we are on the soft ad right now, and how this soft ad actually works is that you are actually going to be given some numbers of ad. Over you can see we have 13 adverts right here, and you can see that about 26 million coin is up for you once you are able to complete the 13 ad. So over here guys, let me now briefly explain to you guys how this simply works. So over here guys, when you click over here on the view now section, you are going to be taken to a certain website where you have to stay there for only 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds you are going to be given a certain number of coin. This should be 50 million coin right here. So this is how simple it is. Just click right here, you are going to be taken to a website, you stay there for 30 seconds, and you are going to be given this amount of coin right here. So it is so simple, and the same thing is also applicable to all these ones. Window ad is literally the same thing with soft ad. The only slight difference that they have is that window ad tends to provide you with more opportunities. Over here guys, on the window ad, you can see that there are a total of 47 ads right here, and over 1 billion coin is allocated for it right here. And over here you can see when you are taken to this website, you stay there for 60 seconds. Remember, on soft ad we only stay there for 30 seconds and 15 seconds, and right here you are required to stay there for 60 seconds, but you are also going to be getting a higher reward after that. Okay, so you are also going to be getting a higher reward after staying there for 60 seconds. So right now let me now take you to the next one, which is the dashboard. Let me take you to the dashboard and show you guys with the balance that I have been able to accumulate. So over here guys, you can see that I have gotten about 4 million coin right here. So if I want to withdraw right now, I will click over here on this three dots, then I will scroll down to the withdrawal section. This ad, let me just clearly remove this ad, and right now I will click on withdraw right now. And once you click on withdraw, you are going to be taken to the section where you're going to be making your withdrawal. So over here guys, you can see that this is what the little point that I've made right now actually works. So you can see that it's actually worth about 30 pepe and about 16 Shiba Inu and lots more. All right, so it is so simple. Remember, the email that you use on creating your CC wallet, which you downloaded from Play Store, is the same email that you are going to be inputting here to make your withdrawal. The same thing is also applicable to the if you want to make your withdrawal to Faucet Pay. So it is so simple as that. And remember to complete your captcha right here before you actually scroll down to make your withdrawal. So I believe you actually got a value out of this, and this is all I have for you guys. I'll be dropping the link to the video where I made the 100% explanation of this website, where you can actually get it in a more detailed form. I'll be leaving the link on the video description as well, so please do well to check out the video description to get the link to this website, and also for you to get the link to the video that actually gave a 100% explanation of this website. Thank you for watching and do have a great day. I will see you guys on my next video that's going to be dropping very soon.